Guys, Brian back with another Algorand video. I got a Algorand price prediction for you here at the end of the video too. It's from a professional group. Gonna share that with you guys here shortly, but this is Algo on the weekly chart. Okay, you can see we've been in this significant downtrend obviously now for quite some time. Okay, now you can see we're approaching an area of massive support. Okay, last few times we've been in these areas, we've gotten massive bounces out of here. Okay, you want to look for that in past price action and what happened when you reached that price area. Okay, you can see if we go back through here on the weekly, we got down here and we had this major jump. Okay, right here we had the major pop, we got down here again, we had another massive jump. Okay, then over here we hit it and we had another jump here. Okay, I believe that one was 80%. Let's take a look here, put a measurement on that. 84%. Okay, the ones prior, this one here was 216%. This one down here licked down to there, 633%. Okay, so you can see this is a major zone that we've had major price action react to. Okay, now we're getting down to that area again. All right, this is on the weekly chart. Okay, you can see we're approaching those zones again. All right, now I'm thinking this could possibly turn out to be a double bottom in here. We've had awesome support last time we came down here. All right, if we look at the RSI on this thing, the weekly RSI is almost reset on Algorand. Okay, that low back there was at 0.1592. okay, and we're approaching that again. Now if we go through the other RSIs, the daily is about 3/4 of the way up, but down on the regular RSI we're oversold. Okay, this thing is flatlined here since April 20th. Okay, we've done nothing but pretty much flatline, gone sideways. All right, so let's zoom out. Let's go to the 12-hour and then the 8-hour. All right, the 12-hour RSI, and once again you can see on the bottom, I mean, the thing's at a 37. All right, you can see that this thing can go way up into the 70s. All right, you can see how, you know, it is actually curving back up. All right, the 8-hour, once again we're at a 40, and the stochastic is about halfway up. Okay, so we have that daily RSI is way oversold. The weekly is resetting on this thing. Okay, which is fantastic. Like I said, you can see the last time when this weekly reset, we had that massive 80% move there. I'm sure this one was about 80%. Okay, that weekly RSI, that's the big one. And you can see we also, every time we've come down to these areas, we've had buyers come in. Okay, you can see the green candles here. Once we hit that zone, you've seen a bunch of buying that came in. Once again, I expect that if we do come down to that 15.9 area, I'm sure we're going to get a massive bunch of buyers coming in then. Now the moving averages, you can see we're below the 50 and the 200. All right, and if we put a Fibonacci on this thing, you know, I'm sure we're down past the 786 as far as a pullback goes, from the swing low to the swing high. Yeah, we're down below the 786. Okay, so that no longer is in roll. We can't even use that to find a bottom here. But like I said, if we zoom out on this thing, look at past price action and where we found support, you can see that clearly on the weekly that we are approaching an area of pretty solid support. Now it could obviously, we wicked down to them areas, it could come down to the 1449 level even, you know. Right back here is when we got that massive 600% bounce after that. So we could have some down action over the next day or so, but this weekly RSI should be reset very soon. You know, the next reset on it is Monday, May 8th. You know, we should be that thing should pretty much be down at the bottom. You know, we're in the oversold area now, so it could technically bounce at any time. If we looked at the regular RSI down here at the bottom, you can see that thing's starting to curve up. So let's take a look at this price prediction, guys. This is from AMB Crypto. They write a ton of articles for crypto. It says, according to Changelly, crypto professionals have researched the price of Algorand and their movements over the previous years. It is predicted that the algo price in 2025 will be roughly 64 cents, and the maximum will be 78 cents. Okay, on the contrary, Telegram predicts that the Algorand may touch new highs in 2025. As per its analysis, the maximum price of algo can reach $10.34, while its minimum price can go down to $4.98. The average price will be around $6.17. Even if there are 10 billion algo coins in circulation altogether, these assumptions appear excessive. To make Algorand more scalable, the issuance of these tokens has been spread out across 10 years with an end date of 2030. Now, if we go down to the 2030 price prediction, Changelly predicts its maximum and minimum prices in 2030 to be $4.87 and $3.98. Its average trading price is expected to be $4.13. Look at this one. As per Telegram, Algorand can be among the top 10 projects by 2030. Its average price can be around $71.50. Its price may oscillate between $69 and $83. So that is as high as they go to 2030. So holy cow, couldn't even imagine that. You know, we're at 17 cents now. I guess crazier stuff has happened in crypto. You know, I watched Gala go from 1/10 of a penny to 83 cents. So wouldn't be nothing out of the ordinary. Do I obviously, I don't know, an $83 Algorand? You know, imagine what the market cap would have to be. So yeah, we'll just play it out and see how it goes. You know, they're the professionals, not me. I don't make price predictions, but you can see what theirs are. So, alright guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that so very much. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.